सही सूचना को आप तक पहुंचाने में हमारे सहयोगी है ऑरेंज लीडिंग मेडिकल इंस्टीट्यूट।
My name is Anushka Sharma. I'm a student of class 10F. आज हमारा इनाग्रेशन था द वेरी फर्स्ट क्लब इन ऑल ओवर द स्कूल्स ऑफ बोकारो एज वेल एज ऑल एमजीएम इंस्टीट्यूशंस जो कि सोलली डेडिकेटेड है यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट्स के प्रिपरेशन के लिए। द लक्ष्य क्लब बीइंग अ सिविल सर्वेंट एस्पिरेंट, बचपन से मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे गाइड किया, बट एक थॉरो गाइडलाइन जो चाहिए होता है बच्चे को शुरुआती स्टेज से मिले, वो आज तक हमें समझ नहीं पाए कि स्कूल से जिससे कैसे करें। तो जब हम बच्चों से पूछा गया कि व्हाट इज़ आवर ड्रीम, तो 40% to 50% स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे थे जो बोले हमें यूपीएससी क्रैक करना है। सो इट वाज देन दैट आवर हेड ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन, द कैप्टन ऑफ आवर शिप, हमारे फादर रेवरेंड फादर डॉक्टर जोशी वर्गीस ने डिसाइड किया कि वो लक्ष्य क्लब को इनॉग्रेट करेंगे। एंड उन्होंने आज इस क्लब के माध्यम से एक बीज बोया है हम सबके मन में, जो कि एक बहुत बड़ा डिटर्मिनेशन है, एक होप है, जो आगे जा कर के हमें हमारे आईएएस बनने के लक्ष्य को पूरा करने में मदद करेगा। सो आई एम रियली थैंकफुल बीइंग अ ग्रेगोरियन एंड बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ एमजीएम फैमिली and Lakshya Club. Thank you.
My name is Anshika Singhania. Today we were having the inauguration ceremony of UPSC Civil Aspirant Club. आज हम लोग क्लास 11 में आर्ट्स में हैं एंड समहाउ लाइक आर्ट्स के लिए बोला जाता है कि यूपीएससी इज समथिंग लाइक अगर आर्ट्स में तो वो यूपीएससी करेगा आगे जाके, बट समहाउ लाइक हम लोग का ऑलरेडी ड्रीम था कि बहुत साल से कि हम लोग यूपीएससी का कुछ करना चाहते थे। एंड ये जो क्लब है ये समहाउ हम लोग को बहुत ज़्यादा एक अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, सो दैट वी कैन स्टार्ट अर्ली फ्रॉम सिंस क्लास 11 दैट वी कैन गेट विद द न्यूज़पेपर्स। एंड आज हम लोग को बताया गया कि हम लोग को छोटा छोटा टारगेट्स दिया जाएगा जो इवन हम लोग को कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में हेल्प करेगा। आज के इनॉग्रेशन सेरेमनी में हम लोग को इवन प्रॉपर्ली समझाएगा कि कैसे यूपीएससी में हम लोग को हेल्प आउट किया जाएगा, कैसे प्रॉपर्ली होना चाहिए स्ट्रैटेजीज़ हम लोग का। सो बेसिकली 11-12 में क्योंकि हम लोग को एक साइड आर्ट्स में क्योंकि ऑलरेडी यूपीएससी का सब्जेक्ट्स है और ऊपर से इसके साथ हम लोग को बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प आउट होने वाला है, सारा का सारा छोटा छोटा स्ट्रैटेजीज़ के थ्रू इवन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स और यूपीएससी में तो ऑब्वियसली हेल्प करेगा।
I am Kajal Oja, studying in Standard 11F. So today, introduction ceremony of our civil servant Lakshya Club. So under this club, we met the mentor of IAS Hub. We got the exact idea, like we got the pathway how to become the IAS officer. Like me, there are many civil servants in our school who do not know the actual path, or like they may be confused, like what to do, shall I go it for not? So they are not clear with what they said. And one of my fellow mates also mentioned that we should start our journey right from there when you have clearly decided that yes, I want to go in that field. So in a nutshell, it was an amazing session. We got a lot of information, and I hope that this would be continued for the year.
I am Anshuman Sinha of class 10. I like to thank our principal sir for organizing such a club which will help us in our future. In a nutshell, I would like to say that the IS Hub which our school has collaborated, it will help us in our future endeavors.
So this project that is started by MGM is really helpful for people who are into like civil services. This inauguration program was like very inspiring. Few of the alumni that came, they qualified the UPSC exam that is considered one of the toughest exams of India, and they also gave us some words of wisdom that I think that will help us in our for future, and we'll use the guidance that they gave us and the roadmap that they gave us for qualifying this exam and being a civil servant for the rest of our life, and serving the society as a civil servant.
So my name is Pratigya Roy and I am from class 9A. Today we had an inauguration of Civil Service Aspirant Club. There was a IPS officer with us and he told us about the UPSC examination and what are its importance, these all things, and it is going to help me in achieving my dreams. Father gave us the opportunity to achieve our dreams, and special thanks to our father.
My name is Anshika. आज हम लोग यहाँ पे आए थे IAS हब के बारे में जानने के लिए और ज़्यादा जानने के लिए, and we have learned a lot of things, and I hope it would help us in our future career, and we will try to focus on our work and be more determined as of हम लोग अभी भी बहुत डिटरमाइंड है, बट हम लोग आगे भी रहने की बहुत कोशिश करेंगे।
Sir, my name is Shreya Mishra, and I will give a special thank to our principal father for organizing a UPSC Aspirants Club. This will help us in future, and special thanks for everyone who joined in the meeting and give us advice for our future.
For the launch of our Lakshya MGM IAS Hub in collaboration with IAS Hub Civil Service Academy Trivandrum. This initiative makes a significant step towards nurturing the aspirations of our students who are determined to serve the nation through the esteemed civil services. The Lakshya MGM IAS Hub is not just a club, it is a dedicated platform where our students will receive guidance, support, and motivation to aim for success in the UPSC examinations. Through this club, we aspire to create an environment that fosters learning, discipline, and a spirit of excellence. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our distinguished guests for gracing us with their presence today. We owe a great deal of gratitude to our principal, Dr. Joshi Varghese, whose vision and unwavering support have been instrumental in bringing this noble initiative to life. His commitment to providing our students with the best opportunities has truly made this possible. Now, without further ado, I would like to hand over the mic to our revered Father Principal, who will formally welcome our guests and share more about this exciting new journey we are embarking on. Over to you, Father.
Academic leaders of MGM Higher Secondary School Bokaro, MGM Public School Bilai, Ma Basilios Vidya Bhavan, and all the leaders and faculty of MGM IAS Hub Trivandrum, and dear Gregorians. At the outset, let me congratulate all my dear Gregorians for your choice, for making a right choice. We have been discussing about this formation of club for over a month, and this is an historic day. We are pioneering into this field. This is the first club, in my knowledge, among our MGM group of institutions, as well as in Bokaro region. So I congratulate all my Gregorians who have taken this decision to join this club.
Metropolitan of Calcutta Diocese amidst us. May I now request His Grace for his presidential address. Your Grace, please.
Concern and we are particular on the holistic development of each student. And we promote the students, we encourage the students in that way. So that is the way in which they can give management, manage all our institutions, especially diocese. Father Dr. Joshi Varghese, the current principal of MGM School Bokaro, he was the diocese education officer for a long period, and he was handling all the matters of the education institutions for a long time. And she had wide and enough experience to handle such a big school like MGM Bokaro.
The manager of the MGM schools of institutions. Very Reverend Dr. Josh Varghese, the principal of MGM school, and my very own Mr. Adnan Naim Asmi, IPS, currently serving as the Superintendent of Police, West Godavari, Andhra Pradesh. Parents, teachers, and my dear friends, I'm not going to take much of your time. I'll just introduce the faculty for today's session. We are short of time. I know by 10 o'clock, 10:05, you will have your regular classes that would begin. So, as Father Joshi had said, he had used the word dreams. I hope I'm audible to all of you. He was talking about dream. As APJ Abdul Kalam says, we have to dream big. And dreams are not those which you see when you are asleep, but dreams are those which does not make you sleep. The management and the staff. And let me now invite Mr. Shijin S. Matthew, who is a forensic expert and has been a teacher, has been a guide all these years, and is also in the process of cracking this exam. So let me invite Mr. Shijin S. Matthew. Mr. Shijin, you can take over. Thank you everyone. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Father Anand. I guess I'm audible to everyone. But thank you so much for the introduction. So let me start with where Father Anand and Alexis Singhania has left. They were talking about this role. This script it got very successful. The movie became blockbuster. He became a superstar. All these things happened. But again, Lal was left behind. He had nothing. His manuscript was stolen by someone else. He had no proof that it was stolen. So he was. The thing I'm going to highlight is, you may have dreams, right? But you need specific skills to excel in certain fields. And I think you guys have access to a microphone. Since we are talking about civil services, can you guys come forward, one of you guys come forward and tell me what are the skills that you think are necessary for a civil servant? I think I'm audible. Can one of you guys come forward and just
being a civil service aspirant, I believe the very first test that this whole journey is going to be very, a roller coaster ride. So you have to be first very determined, and at the same time you have to be patient. You cannot be like very first attempt you are taking, and then you be like, as soon as I complete my syllabus and the very first preparation I give it and I qualify. That is not going to happen. So you have to be determined, and at the same time I believe you have to be patient with your hard work.
Okay. Anyone else do anyone else have any other skills that you want to add on to it?
Good morning, everyone. So the next quality which I would like to add on this is that I think prioritization of our work, time management, self-management, these are very important skills. Not just as a class student, as a school student, but it is going to help us in our future careers. And like talking about civil servant, it is not just about serving the society, but taking care of people around us. So it is very important to be self-prioritized, prioritizing our work, having a proper time management.
Or Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, and Indian Forest Service. Okay. Even though everyone knows about the Foreign Service, it is not an all India service because the Foreign Service typically doesn't come under all India. It has to go abroad. So it comes under Group A services. Again, 20 plus services are mentioned here. Okay, again, a single exam determining post for about 20 plus exams. You basic language known as personality. Okay, typically the personality test people get marks around 160 to 210, which is the maximum score that we have seen.
We get a dream that we want to go with the IAS and we are are sure that we are going to go with civil services. But we all right now are having a dream of civil services. So we are going to start from the school itself, develop the skills of writing, reading newspapers, and so that at that time it is going to help us a lot. So according to me, we should start whenever we are sure that we want to get with civil services.
Okay, thank you so much. Can I get a huge round of applause for this girl, yeah? Thank you. Thank you.
So basic strategy that we guys follow is first minimize your resources, collect the things that are necessary and not too much high. Then the second thing that I follow is that preparing basic slots dedicated to each and every subject. The next thing is, and the final thing is like prioritizing what topics carry what weightage in the exam.
Okay, thank you so much. I think you guys are already ready to do this. But we will start from the question paper itself. We will start with the question paper and we will then start learning. Okay. Okay, we will start identify the places which are important and then we will mark our time according to that weightage of these portions and then we will prepare. And that is the go-to strategy for every competitive exam there is. And as you know, the UPSC is known as the hardest competitive exam there is, but the strategy for these is also same. Every year, we can identify specific portions which are heavy in weightage. We can give or dedicate our time towards it, and we can work towards it.
While interacting with our students, an interesting fact was noticed. Many of them, they shared their dream to get into civil service, and then I found that there is no good platform for them to pursue their dream. And after that we had some brainstorming sessions, and it was decided that we need to have a club which would help our students who have this dream to pursue civil service aspirants, and thus we have formed the Civil Service Aspirants Club, which is named as Lakshya MGM IAS Hub. And we have sought the help of the first IAS Training Academy of Kerala, that's IAS Hub, Civil Service Training Center of Trivandrum. Students of class 6 to 12, they would be given training over the years, and every year we have tailor-made, for every year we have tailor-made some sessions. There would be 5 to 6 modules which would help the students to improve on their communication skills, how to study, to improve their study habits, then improve their critical analysis, analytical skills. All these things would be taken care, and we are sure that it's going to help them a lot, and it's going to transform their lives as well.
बने रहें thetimesmedia.com पर। आप हमें फेसबुक और यूट्यूब पर भी देख सकते हैं।